In today's fast-paced business environment, having the right tools at your fingertips is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. For small business owners and entrepreneurs, managing finances efficiently can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. This is where accounting management software comes into play, promising to streamline processes, provide valuable insights, and ultimately save time and money. Among the various options available, Kashoo has emerged as a contender. But the crucial question for any busy individual is Kashoo easily accessible? As an expert in accounting management software, I've seen firsthand how accessibility can make or break the adoption of a platform. A system, no matter how powerful, is rendered useless if it's cumbersome to navigate, difficult to understand, or requires specialized technical knowledge. Therefore, let's delve into the accessibility of Kashoo from various angles, keeping in mind the needs of those who might be new to accounting software or are looking for a straightforward solution for educational purposes. Intuitive interface and user experience. One of the primary aspects of accessibility is the user interface, UI, and the overall user experience, UX. A well-designed interface should be clean, uncluttered, and logically organized, allowing users to find the features they need without confusion. From my observations and user feedback, Kashoo generally boasts an intuitive interface. The main dashboard typically provides a clear overview of key financial information, such as account balances, outstanding invoices, and recent transactions. The navigation menus are usually straightforward, with clearly labeled sections for tasks like invoicing, expenses, banking, and reporting. This simplicity is a significant advantage for individuals who are not accounting professionals and need to perform these tasks efficiently without getting bogged down in complex jargon or convoluted workflows. For educational purposes, this clear structure makes it easier for students to grasp the fundamental concepts of accounting management and how software can facilitate these processes. For example, creating a new invoice in an easily accessible system like Kashoo should involve a few simple steps. Clicking an invoice button, filling in the customer details, adding the products or services with their descriptions and prices, and saving or sending the invoice. The language used throughout the process should be clear and concise, avoiding overly technical terms. Mobile accessibility. In today's mobile-first world, the ability to access and manage your finances on the go is paramount. Whether you're a sole trader managing your business from your phone or a student wanting to check financial data on your tablet, mobile accessibility is a key factor. Kashoo generally offers mobile access through dedicated apps for both iOS and Android devices or through a responsive web browser interface. A well-designed mobile app or responsive website ensures that the core functionalities of the software are available on smaller screens without compromising usability. This means you should be able to create and send invoices, record expenses, view bank feeds, and check basic reports from your mobile device. The layout should adapt to different screen sizes, with buttons and menus that are easy to tap and navigate with your fingers. For instance, imagine a small business owner who has just completed a service at a client's location. Being able to generate and send an invoice directly from their phone using Kashoo's mobile app saves time and improves cash flow. Similarly, a student learning about expense tracking can easily input hypothetical expenses into the mobile app to understand the process. Ease of learning and support resources. Accessibility also extends to how easy it is to learn how to use the software and the availability of support resources when needed. Even with an intuitive interface, new users may have questions or require guidance on specific features. Kashoo typically provides various support resources to assist users, such as help documentation, comprehensive guides and articles that explain the different features and functionalities of the software in a clear and step-by-step manner. These resources should ideally include screenshots and practical examples. Tutorial videos. Visual aids can be incredibly helpful for understanding how to perform specific tasks within the software. Short, focused videos that demonstrate processes like connecting bank accounts or generating financial reports enhance accessibility for visual learners. Customer support. Access to responsive customer support, whether through email, phone, or live chat, is crucial for addressing individual queries and resolving any issues that may arise. The support team should be knowledgeable and able to explain things in a way that is easy for non-accountants to understand. Webinars and training sessions. Some software providers offer live or recorded webinars and training sessions that provide a more in-depth overview of the software and its capabilities. These can be particularly beneficial for new users or for educational purposes. For educational standards, the availability of clear documentation and tutorials makes Kashoo a more accessible tool for teaching and learning about accounting software. Students can use these resources to understand the practical application of accounting principles and how software can automate and simplify financial management. Integration with other tools. In today's interconnected digital ecosystem, the ability of accounting software to integrate seamlessly with other business tools is another aspect of accessibility. Small businesses often use various platforms for tasks like e-commerce, payment processing, customer relationship management, CRM, and payroll. Kashoo typically offers integrations with popular third-party applications, allowing for a smoother flow of data between different systems. For example, if your business uses an e-commerce platform, an integration with Kashoo can automatically import sales data, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Similarly, integration with a payment processor can streamline the invoicing and payment collection process. These integrations not only save time but also reduce the risk of errors associated with manual data transfer. For educational purposes, understanding how accounting software integrates with other business tools provides a broader perspective on how financial management fits into the overall business operations. Students can learn about the importance of data flow and how different systems can work together to provide a comprehensive view of a business. Pricing and affordability. While not directly related to the usability of the software itself, the pricing structure and affordability play a significant role in its overall accessibility, especially for small businesses with tight budgets or for educational institutions. Kashoo typically offers different pricing plans based on the features included and the number of users. A transparent and straightforward pricing model, without hidden fees or complicated add-ons, enhances accessibility by making it easier for businesses and educational institutions to understand the costs involved. Offering a free trial or a basic entry-level plan can also make the software more accessible for those who want to try it out before committing to a paid subscription.